Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Does Domino's charge a delivery fee? Domino's has thousands of locations, and each location sets its own delivery charge. Typically a few bucks. That charge is not a tip to the driver, who is an awesome person who brings you hot food, so be sure to reward him or her accordingly.
Let's help you make your mark.
Because the restaurant has to make it, a driver has to bring it to you. Said driver has to pay higher insurance rates for using their vehicle for work, driver has to pay for gas, etc. It's a convenience fee. If you don't want to pay $5 for the delivery fee, go pick it up yourself.
Take our lead.
Delivery fees. In addition to tipping, many restaurants now add a delivery fee to your bill, usually about $3 to $10 for the entire order. Since delivery fees rarely, if ever, go to drivers, they should not be considered part of your tip. Also, a minimum delivery fee is not the same as a tip.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.